Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic, and this daily health update is about how the FDA said no to kids' cough medicine that contained opioids. In an effort to prevent opioid addiction, the Food and Drug Administration has announced that it will place new restrictions on opioid-containing cold and cough medication aimed for use by children. The FDA Commissioner, Dr. Scott Gottlieb, notes it is crucial that we protect children from unnecessary exposure to prescription cough medicines containing codeine or hydrocodone. At the same time, we're taking steps to help reassure patients that treating the common cough and cold is possible without using opioid-containing products. If you want to read more about this, check out the FDA. It was published in January of 2018. Thank you for watching this Daily Health Update. I'm your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.